Welcome to Green Farms Limited, and also welcome to the method we use to irrigate our farm. The drip tape irrigation method has proven to be the best irrigation method ever used on a farmland. There are very many irrigation methods one can use in his farm. But here in this farm, we chose the best, which is the drip irrigation method. This method is the best because it supplies water directly to the individual plant, drastically improving water efficiency, boosting crop yields, and reducing costs by minimizing labor. In agriculture, particularly in crop farming, water is essential. In vegetable farming, using fluted pumpkin, otherwise known as ugu, as a case study, water is needed so much for your crop to thrive. This drip tape irrigation method has proven to be the best, and therefore I recommend this irrigation method to anyone who wants to go into commercial farming. We have used very many other methods of irrigation in our farm, such as surface irrigation, where water flows over the soil surface, running in furrows. We have also used sprinklers, where water is pumped through pipes and sprayed over crops using nozzle, mimicking rain. We have used manual irrigation, using watering cans or buckets to wet the farmland. And we have come to realize that this drip tape irrigation method is the best. You don't need to spend so much to establish it. You don't need to spend too much to run it. And it gives you value for your money, in the sense that it supplies water directly to the plant where it is needed, without stressing the plants and without aiding the growth of weeds, which in return leads to very high yields. This irrigation method is the best. So, when you want to go into commercial farming, think drip irrigation method for optimum results. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook. You can also watch our videos on YouTube. Green Farms Limited.